please listen and pay attention to this video. At least if you are, let me say 14 years, or let me just say 14 years and above, can come into this platform and make money and live, please pay attention to this video, because this platform I'm about to review to you has put money into people's hand, and you're not paying for anything. It's free to register and free to perform your task, and you get paid. It is literally easy. You're not going to pay for a dime. So please, if you came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel, because it is going to be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. I teach about ways by which you can earn money online, and also how to make money online in Nigeria. Please, it is really going to be helpful. And like this video, thumbs up the video. If you came across the channel now, please subscribe. So let's get into this video. Please pay close attention. Now, the name of this platform is called Naira Workers. To register on Naira Workers is literally easy. Just register on Naira Workers, and then it's going to bring you up to somewhere like this, exactly like this, where it's going to ask you to verify your email. As you can see it right here, it's going to be telling me to verify your email. So this account I'm using right now is an account for preference. That is, it is not my real account. I just created this account to make this video and make you guys understand how this platform looks like a new beginner to this platform. Now, once you're on like this, you're going to see something like this. As you can see, my balance is 0, jobs completed 0, pending balance 0.00 naira, and this place and this Naira Workers is literally free. Now, once you click on this top 3 button right there, now once you click on it, it's going to bring you up to this path. Now, this dashboard is where your money is going to stay. This profile is talking about your username, each and everything that you use in creating your account. Then these available jobs are jobs that are available for you to perform and get paid. Then your money can be seen in your wallet, and then you can now withdraw your money from your wallet. In case you have 2 accounts, you can switch your account in this account section. I hope I explained this part well. If you still have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you immediately. Now, once I click on available jobs, okay, let me clear it. Okay, once I click on available jobs, it's going to bring me over to jobs that are available for me right now to perform, like jobs which are available right now for me to perform. As you can see right here, as you can see, there are a lot of jobs yet to come and perform, but do not worry, I'm going to be showing you the ones that are really paying, because these ones are just literally 7.3. These are small money, and you can't get huge money out of this other task. So now you're going to click on this part where it says, high paying. So once I click on that part where it says high paying, it's going to bring me up to the higher paying task, like 500 naira task, 300 naira task. So as you can see right here, this one now 599 naira, approximately 600 naira. This one now 599 naira. This one now 597 naira. This one now 501 naira. This one now 400 naira. So I have a lot of money. All you just have to do is register on this, and at your leisure time, you can just come over here and start performing tasks. Like leisure time, you can just come here and start performing tasks and get paid directly to your wallet, then withdraw straight to your bank account. I'll be leaving the link down to this platform to register on this platform down there in the description box. So click on the link and register so that you will start earning money, just like the way each and every one out there is earning money out of this platform. I hope this video was helpful and quite informative. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this channel with your friends so that they can learn more on how to make money online. Stay safe, because I look forward to seeing you in my next video.